Here's a question I got from one of our Academy members. He said, "Your method of selling seed is not only new to me, but very innovative." He said, "I wish I would have had this 10 years ago when I first started selling seed. The problem I'm having is I've been doing it my way for so long. How do I all of a sudden tell my customers I have to change everything, and I'm going to change everything, including my sales approach? How do I do that if I've been doing it the old way all this time? You got any advice?" Yeah, I sure do. I get that question from people a lot. And I work with people who have been in this business a long time. And I'm trying to figure out how to go to their customers and explain this new method of selling. Well, first of all, you're going to pick out your very best customer first. And you're going to go to that best customer and you're going to say, "Hey, John, I want to try something new with you, John." Now, you're going to laugh at this. But out my pickup, I got a thermos of coffee and some donuts. I want you to get in my pickup with me and I want to go look at your fields. Because we're going to start there with something I call crop planning. And we're going to match every variety you have on your order to a field. And once we get that done, we're going to talk about what's going to happen this next year and how we're going to work together this whole entire year. You're going to like this approach a lot because I'm going to spend more time with you, more time looking at your crops, more time helping you grow your business. Because that's what you want, isn't it? So when you first go to John and tell him you got something new and exciting, he's excited. When you tell him he's one of the first ones to see it, he's excited. And that's also your practice person you're going to practice on to get this feel that you're going to do this. But now, before you do any of this, the first thing you have to do for yourself is understand and believe how important these concepts are. Once you understand them yourself, once you practice them yourself and role play these, then you're ready to go out and do this. But you can't go out and see a customer and tell them all about these things if you first don't totally believe in it yourself, understand it yourself, and have already practiced it yourself. So once you do that, go out and use the strategy I talked about, and you're going to have a lot of fun with it. So I thought that was a great question from our list, one of our Academy members. If you have more of them, shoot to us any questions you may have anytime you want. We're always willing to listen. Happy selling. I'm Rod Osthus.